Here's a comprehensive overview of the Vivo X200 FE, a compact yet high-end, funny edition of Vivo's flagship series. Specifications: design and display size, 6.31-inch LTPO AMOLED display, 1.5K resolution, 1216 by 2640 pixels, approximately 461 pixels per inch, with HDR10+, adaptive refresh 1 to 120 Hz, and peak brightness up to 5000 nits. Frame and build: 150.8 by 71.8 by 7.99 millimeters, weighs approximately 186 grams. Premium glass and aluminum build with shot sensation core front and shield glass back. Protection Cadena SER durability. IP68/IP69. Certified for dust and water resistance. Military-grade drop protection battery and charging battery. 6,500 mAh silicon. Anode lithium-ion. Cell rated approximately 6,340 mAh. Charging 90 watts. Wired flash charge. Full charge in approximately 45 to 57 minutes. Includes reverse wired charging support. Performance chipset: MediaTek Dimensity 930+4 nanometers. Octa-core CPU up to 3.4 GHz and Immortalis G720 MC12 GPU memory, 12 GB, expandable virtually, up to 16 GB, LPDDR5, XRAM. Storage: 256 GB or 512 GB, UFS 3.1. No microSD slot, B-bomb gadgets. Software: Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15. Guaranteed major OS updates for 3 years and security patches for 4 years. 3x optical zoom, f2.7, OIS8. Megapixel ultra-wide, f2.2, f/2.0. Features: Zeiss-tuned optics, T-star lens coating, multiple photography modes, multifocal portrait, stage mode, filters, video up to 4K at 60 frames per second with gyro EIS and HDR connectivity and extras. Wireless, Wi-Fi 6/7, Bluetooth 5.4, aptX HD, LHDC, NFC, infrared blaster, stereo speakers. Others, dual nano SIM or dual SIM plus eSIM, under-display optical fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, compass, proximity, OTG support.